Hi, I'm Jacob, Edmund Hall's Access Officer.
And I'm Luke, the school's liaison officer at the college.
And we've been here this week in Hampshire talking to skate schools about personal statements, interview workshops and all things Oxbridge.
So I introduced the Roadshow at Teddy Hall 3 years ago, and each September I get a group of student ambassadors, people who are studying at Oxford at the moment, and bring them along to the schools and colleges in Teddy Hall's link regions. So in its third year now, we're back in Hampshire, and we've been visiting schools over the last week in Portsmouth, Southampton and on the Isle of Wight.
So today we visited 2 schools in the Southampton area. We spoke to Year 12s and Year 13s, giving some interview help, some personal statement workshops. We also spoke to some Year 10s to help with their aspiration for uni applications.
One of the main advantages to doing the Roadshow is that it means we can go along to schools where it's not as feasible to pop along to Oxford to have a look around, to meet the students actually there. So by working with student ambassadors, I'm able to bring a little bit of Oxford to schools in some of the further reaches of our link regions.
It's really wonderful to be able to go into the classroom and see such enthusiastic, bright young students who sort of want to go to Oxbridge. The reason I came on the Roadshow is because I really want to pass on the advice that I wish that I had at the beginning of sixth form or during my application process.
I remember when I was thinking of applying that someone from Brasenose came to my college and did a similar thing with the interview workshop, personal statement sessions and just general Q&A, and I thought it'd be good to go back and help some other people and do the same, sort of pass it on. Top tip for a future Oxbridge applicant would be to believe in yourself and give it a go.